Just 8 minutes, I can do that. What's that noise? I wonder what's like my neighbor's mowing their lawn. Am I doing this right? My nose itches. Hopefully it doesn't make us. Can we start the alarm? It's only been 1 minute? When I was first learning to meditate, I did what I think most people do. I watched YouTube video after YouTube video.
6 on the inhale, pause to exhale 2.
Guru after guru. I simply had too much information and no idea where to start. Then it came to me. Instead of trying to find the type of meditation that works for me, what are the basic ideas that they all have in common, and can I boil that down in a process that's easy to understand and, most importantly, follow? The following video is a culmination of what I've learned and implement in my practice. There are many studies showing positive benefits on everything from life outlook, helping depression, improving memory recall, and much more. Or are you trying to get something a little harder to measure, such as spiritual growth? Whatever your reason may be, remembering why you started and believing in your progress will reinforce you on your meditation journey. After all, there will be hurdles to overcome anytime you adopt a new habit. Meditation is no different, and you will find consistency matters. Later on in the video, we'll go over how to build your new meditation habit. But for now, let's just set some realistic expectations. No, unfortunately, meditation will probably not give you superpowers. You also should not expect to improve your test scores overnight. Nor will you be able to control any elements. However, what meditation can provide is a very particular set of skills, such as letting go of your negative emotions and thoughts, improving your memory, motivation, and life satisfaction, among many others. Now that we have slightly more realistic expectations in regards to your meditation journey, let's break through the confusion and learn the basics. To make this as simple as possible, let's break this down into the 2 main questions I had when I started, and you may have too. There are so many body positions in meditation, from sitting to laying down, walking, and whatever this is. But a common theme is that the posture should be comfortable and relaxed, but not to the point where it is easy to fall asleep. This is known as the lotus position and is probably the one people most think about in regards to meditation. But if you're like me and lacking in the flexibility department, then a simple cross-leg position will suffice. If you find yourself leaning back or uncomfortable, a small pillow is recommended. Meditation has many different forms, some requiring you to bring awareness to different areas, such as a mantra or chant, to breathing, and even body sensations. I chose early on to focus more on a type of meditation called mindfulness meditation, which is commonly described as the unjudgmental observation of your thoughts. What this means is you relax, and as thoughts, words, or feelings come into your mind, you practice simply observing them without getting carried away or invested. Although simple, this is difficult, as you will discover the mind is easily derailed and you can become lost in thoughts for minutes at a time. When you notice this, gently guide your awareness back to the frame where you are simply watching the thoughts, a step removed from their entrainment. As you get more experienced, you'll be able to hold the position of non-judgmental observer for longer. It is okay, especially in the beginning, to have an object of focus such as the sensation of breathing. When thoughts come up, guide yourself back to this focus. Don't become frustrated if you continually get lost in thought. Every time you realize and gently self-correct, you work the muscle and skill and improve. You will come to find that the skills you develop in meditation will bleed over into your daily life outside of practice, which is when you will reap the benefits that have been thoroughly researched and mentioned earlier. How long and often to meditate will undoubtedly vary from person to person. A popular saying in meditation that comes up frequently is, If it is hard to meditate for a long time, you should meditate longer. What I have taken this to mean is if you have impatience or easily lose focus and get carried away by thoughts or emotions, then you may benefit more from longer or more frequent meditations. Much like exercise, it is better to meditate for a short time consistently than a long duration sporadically. This is partly because you'll experience changes and benefits faster, but the main reason is because you want this to become a habit and something you do without mental resistance. A way I've found to make meditation a habit and easy to do as possible is to make use of a method called habit stacking, taken from a book called Atomic Habits by James Clear. In summary, you simply add the desired habit to an already established habit that you do often, such as brushing your teeth. So in this example, you'd set a reminder next to your toothbrush telling you to meditate. After a while, you will begin to associate brushing your teeth with meditation, and it will become a part of your morning or nightly routine, perhaps both. Meditation has the potential to be a powerful catalyst for improvement in many areas of your life, not just mentally, but physically as well. Along with meditation, I have also been experimenting with red light therapy for several months now with some positive results. If you are interested in my experience with that, you can check out this video I made. Thank you for watching.